Before you spend your money on car detailing products this year, watch this first. Some products completely transform my car. Others, honestly, I'd never buy again. So today, I'm going through 10 of the biggest car care brands and picking one product I'd absolutely buy and one product I'd personally skip. And remember, skip doesn't always mean bad. It just means there's a better option from that same brand. Let's get started. Number 10, Turtle Wax. The one product I'd buy is Ice Seal N Shine. This stuff has become a legend for a reason. For around $16, you get incredible gloss, outstanding water beating, and protection that lasts for months. What I love most is how easy it is to use. Just spray it on, wipe it off, and you're done. It works on paint, wheels, glass, and trim, making it one of the best values in car detailing. The product I'd skip is Turtle Wax Original Hard Shell Wax. It still works, but detailing has evolved. Modern spray sealants give better protection, take less time, and require far less effort. Number 9. Meguiar's. The one I'd buy is Ultimate Polish. If your paint looks dull, faded, or covered in light swirls, this product can make a huge difference. It enhances color depth, increases gloss, and creates that deep, wet look people usually associate with expensive detail jobs. It's also beginner-friendly and works by hand or machine. The product I'd skip is Cleaner Wax. Years ago, this was a great all-in-one solution. Today, dedicated polishing and protection products simply produce better results. Number 8. Chemical Guys. The product I'd buy is VSS Scratch and Swirl Remover. One reason this product stands out is simplicity. Instead of using a separate compound and polish, VSS combines both into one step. It removes light scratches, swirl marks, oxidation, and restores shine at the same time. For beginners trying paint correction for the first time, it's one of the easiest products to recommend. The product I'd skip is HydroSud's Ceramic Wash. The marketing sounds impressive, but the performance doesn't really justify the premium price compared to other quality soaps. Number 7. Adams Polishes. My winner is Wheel and Tire Cleaner. Your wheels collect some of the nastiest contamination on the entire vehicle. Brake dust, road grime, browning, old tire dressing. This cleaner attacks all of it. The thick foaming formula sticks to the surface and helps restore tires back to a factory fresh appearance. The product I'd skip is Adams Detail Spray. It's not bad. In fact, it was one of the best years ago, but newer detail sprays now offer better slickness, better durability, and better overall performance. Number 6. CARPRO. The product I'd buy is Clarify Glass Cleaner. A clean windshield makes a bigger difference than most people realize. Clarify cuts through fingerprints, oils, haze, and road film without leaving annoying streaks behind. It's also safe for ceramic-coated glass, which makes it a favorite among detailing enthusiasts. The product I'd skip is CARPRO Lift Snow Foam. It creates foam and cleans reasonably well, but there are stronger options available today that provide better cleaning power for the money. Number 5. Rain-X. My pick is Rain-X Original Glass Treatment. The first time you drive in heavy rain after using this product, you'll understand why it's so popular. Water instantly beads up and flies off the windshield while driving. In many situations, you barely even need your wipers. For visibility and driving confidence, it's one of the best upgrades you can make. The product I'd skip is Rain-X Wash and Wax. It works, but specialized shampoos and dedicated protection products outperform it in almost every category. Number 4. Invisible Glass. The one I'd buy is Premium Glass Cleaner. This stuff is excellent. It removes fingerprints, smudges, road film, and windshield haze without streaking. The foaming aerosol formula clings to glass instead of running down the surface. And because it's ammonia-free, it's completely safe on tinted windows. The product I'd skip is the Reach and Clean tool. Honestly, a quality microfiber towel can do the same job while costing less and being easier to use. Number 3. 303 Products. My winner is Aerospace Protectant. This product has been trusted for decades. It protects plastic, vinyl, and rubber against UV damage while helping prevent fading and cracking. Unlike greasy interior dressings, it leaves behind a clean factory matte finish. If you want your interior looking new without looking shiny, this is one of the best products available. The product I'd skip is 303 Convertible Fabric Cleaner. Most vehicle owners simply don't need it. For the average driver, there are much better products in the 303 lineup worth spending money on first. Number 2, Griot's Garage. The product I'd buy is Ceramic 3-in-1 Wax. This is one of the easiest ceramic sprays to recommend. You get strong protection, excellent gloss, incredible water beating, and compatibility with paint, trim, wheels, and chrome. It's affordable, easy to apply, and consistently ranks among the best ceramic sprays on the market. The product I'd skip is Best of Show Wax. Traditional wax still works, but modern ceramic sprays last longer, protect better, and save a lot of time. And finally, number 1, CERAKOTE. The one product I'd absolutely buy is Platinum Rapid Ceramic Paint Sealant. This product is an absolute monster. Extreme gloss, extreme slickness, extreme water beating, and protection rated for up to 50 washes. With nearly 19,000 reviews and a huge following among detailing enthusiasts, it's earned its reputation. If I could only choose one product from today's entire list, this would probably be it. The product I'd skip is the CERAKOTE Headlight Restoration Kit. Unless your headlights are heavily oxidized, there are simply better CERAKOTE products that deserve your money first. So that's my list. One product I'd buy and one product I'd skip from 10 of the biggest car care brands. Now I want to hear from you. Which brand has the strongest lineup overall? Turtle Wax, Meguiar's, Chemical Guys, or someone else? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe to Auto Riff for more honest car product reviews, detailing comparisons, and buyer's guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.